Have you ever wondered or been concerned about fume extraction in your jewelry studio? Well, this is going to be a big deal, especially if you're working in a smaller area. Hi, I'm Melissa Muir. In this video, I want to introduce you to a newer offering from ARBE, and it is a tabletop fume extraction system. So whether you're working in an apartment, just on a bench, or a tabletop, maybe you just don't have a lot of space for fume extraction, and maybe you just don't even have the ability to pipe any of those fumes out. Well, that's where some of the smaller, more portable systems come into play. And I am so excited to talk a little bit about this new portable system. And the best part, it's small, very small, only 7 inches by 7 inches and about 4.5 inches tall, excluding, of course, the hose. The system, like I said, is very small, and it has everything you need. You're going to have the hose, the nose cone, and all you have to do to turn this on is switch the toggle in the back and then turn the nozzle to however strong you want this. Even at full speed, it is actually really quiet. It's something that would be very easy to have a conversation over, and the hose is adjustable to whatever position you need. One of the best things about this unit is that it's very easy to swap out the different filters and everything that you need in here. Now, in an effort to show you how well it sucks up fumes, I accidentally sucked up something that was hot. Now we have 3 stages of filters. You have a pre-filter, which is going to take out anything that's really large. Then you move into your HEPA filter, followed by the activated carbon layer. And this is going to remove about 99.9% of all of the different particles at 0.3 microns. So very, very small. As you can see, you want to be very cautious about allowing anything to get sucked up that might have some embers going, and that was the case here on this. The filter packs are sold as the set of all 3, and they're only about $50. And one of the best things about this entire system is that it runs only about $200. Now here in my studio over the past 20 plus years, I have tried a lot of different tabletop fume extractors. This is the first one that I've been really excited about. All the rest are going to have very simple filtration, and it's not going to be 3 levels. Now I do have some that are far more expensive and far more advanced, but they're also very large, take up a lot of space, and they're much noisier. So this is going to be a very good addition to my studio, especially where I've got some of the different soldering setups for some of my students. When it comes to reducing the smell of things, I did find that there was still some smell that lingered in the air, so it does not completely remove all fumes. However, it still did a really good job, and you can visibly see those fumes going right into the hose and into the system. When it comes to changing the filters, you should be changing those every 6 to 12 months depending on how heavy the usage is. Now, I don't know about you, but I only got 1 set of lungs when I was born, and I want to do everything I can in my studio to make certain that I take care of those, especially when we are working with some very dangerous fumes or different particles. So I highly recommend that you take a look at this machine. I think you'll really like it. And like I said, not only is it affordable, but it also is super portable and space saving as well. And that's a win for me. If you have any questions at all, drop those down in the comment section, and we'll see you guys next time.